Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are having a great time. I ordered this massager gun from Amazon just for my personal use and I thought it to review it. I received this order on time with this package and initially I thought it's such a small massager and how can it be useful. Now let's unbox it and check it out what is the real fact. The package was compact and I was easily able to remove it from the carton box. There was no hassle and it feels heavy as soon as you lift it, and it was written as fascial gun. Some people pronounce it as facial. I'm not sure what is the reason. And on the box you will get a very basic information about the power, switch on, switch off, and what it will does. Now let's open the box and see it. As soon as you open the box you will get a small note of instruction. This is very useful guys. It clearly says like what to use, what not to use, and there are four different massager options, how to use it and all. We will see that in later. The packaging was really bad and the quality was very cheap. As you can see, it was already torn over here, and these are the four massager options which are made up of very cheap quality of plastic. It's not so great. I'm not expecting it to have a very good impact, but let I demonstrate and I will show you how it will works. After opening of all these four, and I am just checking about the charger. The charger is also very cheap quality, and as after reading it I don't understand what the power output of this charger is all about, and it makes no sense to me. The main item is this gun. I mean the massager gun. It was really heavy guys. Initially I felt very good, and as soon as I open it was very dusty. I'm not sure it was someone has returned it and the same thing he has returned it to me, but when I switched it on it was perfectly working fine. I have tested this for over a week and I will demonstrate to you in the next session like what are the other options. The on and off was working perfectly fine. It comes with four different massager options. Now let us see the first one. It's called the round ball. It's easy to plug it and you just need to turn it. I don't think you need to turn it also. You just need to press this power button and it starts vibrating or it starts moving. Guys, this has an okay effect. I'm not saying that it will give you a high quality massage, but for an initial pain relief or initial massage relief, it is fine. The power out, there are four different types of power output from low to high. You can press the power on off button for 3 to 4 times. The power generation output will be changed, but it's okay friends for initial pain relief. I'm not recommending it will give very high comfort as holding the gun itself is very heavy. So let's look at the second one, which is called as the flat massager. As per the instructions, it can be used for the full body massager. Yes, this gives the better result when compared with the first one, and this is my personal opinion friends. It might be different for you. Yeah, but this can be used for the facial massage also. Yeah, now let us see the next one. Third one is called as the folk massager. It is mainly used for your spine massaging. Friends, always be careful with your spine massage. Never go with heavy or never go with too unusual practice. Always go with under guidance. And this is just okay for an initial massaging, but I really didn't feel more effective with the spine with this one. And now let us check at the last one. The last one is called the spiral head. It is a sharp pointed which is really useful for removing the instant pain, and it is my favorite choice out of all as I feel it gives more effective result than others. Once again friends, this is just based on my personal choice. It might be different for you. Overall, what I feel about this massager gun is the build quality of the gun massager gun is good, but what are the four massager options they had given? It's very cheap and quality plastic they have used, but for initial immediate pain relief, it can be used. Do not expect very high quality massaging effect from this guys, and it is okay to buy at 1200 price range. Do not buy it at very high, and it's okay for your basic and initial use. And this is what all about my opinion, and thanks for watching my video friends.